Can you help me? I need a huge poster for science class. I can't see the floor. You are an artist. We can finish it fast. Oh, well, a fast poster. Okay, I think I have time today.
Awesome! Thanks, Tara. Meet at the library?
Oh no! All my notes for the test! I can't do it all. It is a lot of things.
My diary! You are moving.
A little rusty, but yes. You feel very tired today. Why?
I always say yes to everyone. They ask for help, and I can't stop it. Saying no is okay, Tara. But they will be sad if I say no.
I know someone just like you.
A story? For me?
Yes, meet your friend, Leo.
So many things, and I need to finish now.
Leo, can you hear me?
Yes, Mrs. Gable, I can help clean everything.
This cart is full of books, Leo.
Leo, do you have enough time to finish this today?
Yes, I think so. No problem, really. Look how strong my arms are.
Okay, please be careful.
I missed my study group meeting.
He is not coming.
Almost there. Just one more shelf.
Leo, are you sure?
My papers. My pencil case. Oh no!
Is he okay?
Look at that mess.
Leo, let's talk for a moment.
I am so sorry, Mrs. Gable.
This is too much work today.
It is okay to stop, Leo.
You cannot do everything, Leo, you know. Let's make a new plan.
Okay, Mrs. Gable.
Next time, you can say, I can't today.
I can say that? I want to help, but I can't today.
Perfect. They will understand.
Leo, can you fix the history poster now? Wait, my original plan was reading... Thanks for asking, but I can't help today. Oh, okay. I will ask Anya. See you later. See you. Wow, that was much easier than I thought.
Good work, Leo.
Okay, 2 books left. I feel great!
Look, you are finished already.
Leo felt much better. He is not tired now. Correct, because he said no.
Can you do that? Can you say, I can't today?
Yes, I will try tomorrow.
Thanks for asking, but I can't help today. Perfect. You sound very polite. You are ready, TaraTales Superstar. Superstar, wow. New day, new phrase. I can do it.
Tara, wait for me. Tara, thank goodness. Help me, please.
Oh, it's Leo again.
Can you carry this box to the big field? The football coach is waiting. The big field?
My internal alarm is ringing.
Tara?
Stop.
Please, it is so heavy. Yes, the field is far. Thanks for asking, Leo, but I can't help today. You can't? Oh, okay. No problem, Tara. See you later. See you later, Leo. See you later, Leo.
I did it, and he is not sad. Wonderful. Practice makes perfect.
Now I can finish my homework. Painting flowers is fun. You look relaxed. Look at your flowers! You had time for painting today. Yes, because I did not carry that big box. Diary, just saying no is very easy. Told you so. It feels good, right?
Remember this phrase. Try repeating it. Okay, ready?
Try with me. I can't help today.
Good pronunciation, dynamic learners.
Set boundaries and feel free! Woohoo!
Wow, good energy today. Is saying no easy or difficult for you? Tell us below. We want to know.
Write your answer in the comments. Tell us a time you said no. Yes, please share. High five for no! Watch again to practice English every day. Like, subscribe, and happy learning!
Bye-bye, friends. See you in the next story.